Okay, I'll just show you how to operate the self-parking on this Volvo. So as we're going forward, you'll see a line of parked cars on the left hand side there. I'll just move this gear stick a second. That's the button. See on the dash, it's looking for a parking space on the left hand side. So it's scanning for radar. I'm just moving up here slowly. I'm just in first and slipping the clutch because we're going up the forecourt. There you go, slot found, continue forward. Stop, stop and reverse, so put it into reverse like so, and then, here we go. Now, I can't see where we're going because my glasses have steamed up. So, I'm hoping this is going to work. That's looking a bit close there. Reverse slowly, then brake. So we can see the car behind us. So there, stop and change gear. Stop and change gear. So from reverse into first, it's moving forward. It's applied the brake. There we go, that's it. It's as simple as that.